Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing a microphone. Now, I know my setup is not the most professional, but it works. And that is, we are reviewing the U37, so it's the CAD U37 microphone. We got our Knox. So, yeah, this microphone I've been using for 4 years now, and it records very clean. I'm extremely impressed with it, and it gets a 5 stars out of 5, and that is because it's been working so good for so long. So if you need a microphone that works good, this works great. In fact, I will play a clip for you to hear.
No matter how powerful the storm may seem, no matter how weak you feel, rise up. Say, this is enough.
So that's with some, auto-tune effect with my program, but it's very crisp and clear and does the job. So 5-star rating for me.